The Beatles once sang about Lucy in the sky with diamonds. She was the girl with kaleidoscope eyes. Ever wonder how to recreate those famous peepers? Well, you can with Affinity Photo. I'll start with this colourful picture of marbles. These may be the ones I lost a while back ago when I decided to start this YouTube channel. Affinity Photo has a tool you don't see much on other creators' YouTube channels. It's called the Mirror tool. You can add it to your toolbar by going to the View tab in the menu and selecting Customize Tools. It's this little guy here that looks like a plus sign with 3 grey dots and 1 red one. You can grab that and drop it on your toolbar if you want. With my nice shiny marbles selected, I'll click on the Mirror tool. Now, grab the slider and drag to the right. You get a wonderful kaleidoscope effect. I'm going to increase the number of mirrors until I get a nice round circle in the middle. About 15 mirrors should do. Okay, now I'm going to select my ellipse shape tool from the left toolbar and draw a circle in the middle of the image. I'll then drag the kaleidoscope layer onto the shape layer. This will embed the image onto the shape. This will be the iris of Lucy's eyes. Then I'll make another black circle in the middle. This will be a tiny little pupil. I'm going to group these together, and then I'll duplicate the layer for the second eye. I'm going to hide the kaleidoscope eyes by clicking on the little dots on their layers. Let's work on our Lucy. I found this great picture from pexels.com. We're going to use her as our model, but any eyes will do. We're going to do a little pixel surgery here. I promise it won't hurt her. Notice how her irises are a little covered by her eyelids. I'm going to use the freehand selection tool to select, copy and paste sections of her upper and lower eyelids. I'll start by encircling a section of her eyelashes and lids on the top. With the background layer selected, I'll then click Command or Control-C to copy and command, or Control-V to paste the new section of eyelid. I'll then do this for the bottom eyelid and then move to the other eye to do those too. Please note, it's important to make sure you are on the main background layer when copying. Now, we'll drag the first kaleidoscope eye layer so that it's sitting above the background layer and below the new eyelid layers. I'll then size it and move it into place. Then, I'll do the same thing for the other eye. Okay, we're almost done here. To add a little realism, I'm going to select each kaleidoscope eye layer. Then select the blend mode at the top of the layers panel. I'll change them from normal to lighten. This blends in the light shining from her original eyes and allows it to be seen through her brand new ones. Pretty cool, huh? Picture yourself in a boat on a river with tangerine trees and marmalade skies. That's it for today. If you like this kind of content, please make sure to click on those good old like and subscribe buttons below. Have a great day, everyone.